What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and I'm tired. But I do have some deals for y'all today at Home Depot, Lowe's, and a little something from Amazon. Matter of fact, I want you guys to stick around because I need you to see this thing from Amazon. So let's talk about that first. So first up, I want to talk about these LED bulbs on Amazon. Now, I remember back in the day, you used to be able to buy those Sylvania bulbs for the same money. Matter of fact, it might have been a little more than this if you want both bulbs. It used to be like $72 or something like that. And the reaction, the difference you get was just a little bit lighter of this, right? But let me tell you, when they say that thing goes from this to this, they're not lying, y'all. They ain't paid me. I don't know this company other than the fact I saw somebody on YouTube say it worked great for his FJ Cruiser. Y'all, oh my gosh, I'm buying another set for my LX470 because those headlights are terrible. And what most people do is convert over to HID, which is expensive and it's a lot involved. But nope, you can get this right here, apply your coupon, and just be rocking. I don't know how long they're going to last, but right now, I'm a happy, happy camper. Woo, boy. So anyway, I just want to let you guys know about that. This is definitely a tool, and it's cheap, and it will change your life. So if you have halogen bulbs and you want to convert up to these LEDs and get some HID type of light, because that's what it is. I would say it's a tad dimmer than some good HIDs. It's a tad dimmer, but it lights up just like this. Wonderful, wonderful mod. All right, moving on. So yesterday I talked about this oscillating tool. It was on eBay. I'm sure it's sold out by now. I know one of y'all bought it. But it's also at Home Depot too. I told you guys to come over here and check. They have them over at Home Depot, and it's on a buy one get one. So it comes as the free gift. And so I've already added the cart. And then once you go to the cart, it breaks down to be $70. Should be in there. $70. $70. There you go. So not bad for an oscillating tool. $70. Now I will say this though. If we're talking lifetime warranty, let me go over here and do this. So let me just show you guys this over at Lowe's. You do have the Metabo HPT also with a lifetime warranty. You don't need to register it. No gimmicks or anything like that. It's $79. Now you see these reviews. I like it. That auto mode on this bad boy rocks. It is amazing. Now if you just using it, when I reviewed it, I didn't use the auto mode because I didn't like the auto mode on the Milwaukees, and so I didn't think I liked the auto mode on this. I just used it in high and tried to just adjust the settings myself. Nah, I don't do that. This one's smart. Put it in auto mode and let this Japanese thing do its thing, okay? $79. The Ridgid does not have an auto mode. So, and then we look at the reviews. You know, everybody's not really super pleased with this bad boy. So, I would suggest for the extra $9 or so is going on over to Lowe's and getting this. Plus, you know, at Lowe's you have your Rakuten. You see it pulsating up there? Rakuten is a free cashback extension. Most of y'all know this. And if you never used it before, sign up using the link in the description. You get $30 cash back in addition to the 2% cash back. And if you've already done that, just check Rakuten or Retail Me Not is offering 3% cash back. So if you've already gotten your bonus, use Retail Me Not to get 3% cash back. And it makes it a tad bit sweeter. So you're talking about like an extra $6 and change. Man, do this. This is better. This is better. So moving on. Unless you just have all Ridgid batteries and all that other stuff, then fine, do Ridgid. But I would say do that Metabo HPT. It's a real lifetime warranty, whereas the Ridgid is a lifetime service agreement. It is a difference. So moving on, I just wanted to show you the kit that has all the extra free tools. So, you know, you guys can go through this and see which one you might want to keep and not keep this big thing here, this whole kit. So they have a few things here. 7.25-inch circular saw. I don't know how this angle grinder is. I feel like it's better angle grinders. I would check out that Makita from the deal, from the video the other day. I would do maybe this ratchet right here. That probably is really good. You can't really mess those up. This drill, I probably wouldn't do this hammer drill. But anyway, you guys can go through that. Moving on. Oh, the fan's going to probably be good. $79. And I don't know what that'll break down to be, but you could do that. this spotlight. That's a lot of money for a spotlight. I don't even care. Even on a BOGO, this is still gonna be too high. Anyway, moving on. We have some more Ridgid deals. Someone asked the other day, "Where's the Ridgid deals, man? Here are the Ridgid deals, dude." All right, so it's basically called a build your bundle. So keep in mind, man, these are like the regular 4 amp hour batteries. They're not the max ones. They're not the high outputs. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But some of these deals are not bad. Like for this heat gun, 2 4 amp hour batteries, a charger in the bag. Heat guns are pretty expensive, and the thing about the battery operated ones, I mean, they're not as powerful as the ones you plug in at all. But if you needed one, I mean, this is not bad. I would just say just try to make sure, because I'm not sure if this one does have a lock on the switch. That gets annoying. I like the Metabo HPT one the best because it has a switch instead of a trigger. But yeah, make sure it has a trigger lock if you're going to go that route. Rear handle circular saw. I probably wouldn't do that. I'll wait on a Metabo HPT one. Let's see what else we got here. You guys can go through here. You got through it. Okay, so keep this thing in mind. All right, you got this for 229. Let's just keep this in mind because we have something else coming up from Bosch, and I want to talk to you guys about Lowe's for a minute. But I'm gonna leave this page in the description. You can go through it, find some deals you like. Moving on over to Lowe's, and Lowe's is a hot mess as usual. So today they have a deal of the day with this Bosch Pro Factor impact wrench. It's $299 with the as a kit. So you get the impact wrench, which is normally $279. You get an 8 amp hour Pro Factor battery. You get a charger and you get a bag, okay, for $299. But it's on the buy more, save more. But of course, leave the Lowe's. It's glitchy, right? It's not working. So here's what I did. To hit the sweet spot, you want to be at $450. So this basically, you need $151. So you want something that's $159. First of all, so I itemize everything, all the stuff that's buy more, save more out of Bosch, price low to high. You see that. And I come down here to look at the 159 stuff, and I'm like, okay, first of all, it's 2 jigsaws is 159, but okay, there it is. But what about the drywall screw gun? That's 159. And it's just other stuff that's 159. So I'm like, what's going on? Well, if you go and check what page is this? I think the 3rd or 4th page. No, that was the 3rd or 4th page. This is the 3rd page, and you go back and check the 1st page, you will see more stuff for 159. Lowe's cannot even itemize in low to high properly. It's crazy. So you have this impact wrench, you have this compact one, which does not produce a whole lot of beans that I know of. Then you have the drywall screw gun. This would be ideal because this one comes with a starter kit as well. So another 4 amp hour battery and a charger, but of course it doesn't work. And then you have this drill. Now, this is not a good deal because if you come right here, you get their top of line big boy Pro Factor for $149. So don't do that. So you're left with really a jigsaw. Maybe this will work. Let's go ahead and add it to cart and see. But you're already getting the impact wrench. Well, it's super big, but I would say just have some diversity or just keep playing around with these things. I don't know, but Lowe's makes me sad. So here we go. We see right here, this thing is in here. It didn't take anything off. It's saying you save $149, but it's talking about this kit right here. And then when you add the jigsaw, though, finally it works. It made the jigsaw $106.93, and it made this kit right here $201.07 for a very good impact wrench, an 8 amp hour battery, a charger in the back. This right here is amazing. And here's the thing I don't think any of us have really thought about because Lowe's is so wonky. Usually when Lowe's has these things, it'll make something like, usually with the buy one get one, it'll make something free. It'll just zero it out. But as you can see, it's re-itemizing like Home Depot. So I'm wondering if you could just return one thing. I'm going to try it. I have, from the deal last week, I bought the mid-torque impact wrench, which is no longer available, and that miter saw, and it was like $300. So I'm going to try to get this right here. The whole thing, I got these 2 things, which is normally, $619. I got it for like $330. Hopefully you saw that video and took advantage. I'm going to try to return this and see if they'll take it. Or maybe I should try to sell it. Oh, that would be ideal to make some money. But I am curious to know like whether I could just return one of these and they'll just take it back, or whether I have to return both. So anyway, that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. I'll see you guys next time. And as usual, buy some merch.